make our semolina.
Here we have our ingredients. This is the bowl to mix the semolina. This is the semo. This is the water to mix the semo. This is my wooden spoon. And this is the measuring cup to see how much water we need. Now I'm going to add a little bit of the semo flour into my bowl. Now I'm going to add a little water.
It's like a family tree. Part of you.
I'm going to stir it.
And if we should separate, go your own way.
We need more water.
Bring the funk back.
Make sure you do it carefully so it will not pour.
It's like a family tree. Part of you and part of me. And if we should separate, go your own way, I won't wait.
Bring the funk back.
We need to add more water because it's too strong. It's okay. We are going to cover it now so it can cook for like 5 minutes. We need to turn it before the water gets dry.
It's like a family tree. Part of you and part of me. And if we should separate, go your own way, I won't wait.
Yes, it's cooked. Semo is ready. I have to oil this spoon so it doesn't get sticky.
spread it on the spoon.
You can see my semo is so smooth. There's no seed.
Stays the same.